Hey, what's up, compadre? How you doing? Jeff Amen here with a very cool traffic tip for you. Now, what I'm going to show you here is a way that you can start getting 100% free traffic, and you really do nothing extra. So um, there are a lot of reasons why I like GetResponse is a autoresponder. Number one, the deliverability is off the charts. So you're not going to find a better autoresponder out there, at least in my experience over the last decade of being online, that has a better deliverability than GetResponse. And so what that means is that your emails, they aren't going to end up in the spam folder, and they're not going to end up in the promotions folder and all that kind of stuff. They're going to hit the inbox, and that's really important, obviously, because if your emails are hitting the spam folder, I mean, it's how often do you check your spam folder, you know? So you don't want your emails to end up there. And so if you're going to use my course to start getting daily sales with email, then you want your emails to end up in the inbox. So that's number one. Also, their customer support is absolutely just amazing. At any time, you can just hook up with their 24/7 chat support. And let me go ahead and show you this cool little traffic hack that has started getting me extra traffic 100% free. And all you're going to do is under list settings, when you create your list, you're going to first, when you become a customer, you're going to create your first list, and then you can start building your email list. You can start using all the tips and secrets inside my email course to start creating a relationship with that list, start making sales for any affiliate program that you're promoting. But what we're going to do here is, and this is a really cool feature. It really is. I'm not sure of many other autoresponders that actually even have this as an option. But what you're going to do is under list settings, you're going to come to index in search engines. So what happens is every time you create a email, let's say you have an email follow-up sequence that is 300 days long. All right, I give you 100 of my broadcast emails, of some of my recent broadcast emails inside the course. So, and I also teach you how you can easily get access to tons of other emails and swipe files and all that kind of good stuff, how you can model emails. But let's say that you have 300 messages that you've set up. All right. Well, what's going to happen is every single one of these emails, actually, there's an online version of it too, as you can see here. So there's a link that can get indexed in the search engines. All right. So this is one of my latest broadcast emails that is actually getting indexed in the search engines, and this can bring extra traffic 100% on autopilot. So every email that you have almost turns into like a blog post, right? Because there is a link that then gets indexed. And the reason why this is really cool is because the GetResponse domain has a ton of authority. There are literally hundreds of thousands of users with GetResponse. And so you're actually more likely to get your emails indexed by Google than you would be, let's say, if you started up a new blog with a new domain that doesn't have any authority. Hopefully that makes sense to you. So because the GetResponse domain is looked so upon so highly in Google's eyes, you're going to see a lot of your emails start getting indexed by Google, and you're just going to start getting that organic traffic. So it's really cool feature. All you got to do is under list settings again. All you got to do is scroll down and make sure that index in search engines is turned on. Guys, for the price, for the features, for everything that you get including the customer support that's just out of this world with Get Response. There's not a better marketing tool out there. So hopefully you take advantage of my recommendation, and you can start a 30-day free trial with Get Response. And like I say, guys, it's 30 days free. So you can already get set up, start building your list, start using the strategies inside my Profit Fundamentals email course, and just start knocking it out of the park. All right, we'll talk soon.